Okay, so today we are going to cook chicken carbonara. First, you need to prepare a boiling water and then add a pinch of salt. This will help season the pasta. Okay, mix. Hold the pasta. Hold. Place the pasta and then release. Okay. So we're going to boil this one for 10 minutes or depending on what is instructed in the package. From there, roll the pasta. Okay. And make sure that the pasta is submerged inside the water. Meanwhile, let us prepare our sauce. For the sauce, you need eggs. Whole egg. And then egg yolk. Whisk. Add Parmesan cheese. Add a cheese. Then whisk. From there, add pepper, black pepper. Whisk. Okay. Meanwhile, heat on high. So this is a chicken carbonara. So we will use chicken. Heat on high. Oil in. And then your chicken. You should always hear that sound. From there, season the chicken, salt, pepper, okay. Brown the chicken. So what we did is push it to the side and pull back. Okay, push, pull back, like that, push, pull back. Okay. Okay. Brown the chicken, all the sides. You need to brown all the sides because if there is no color in the chicken, that means there is no flavor. Then mix your sauce. Mix vigorously. Now the pasta is cooked. Turn off the heat. Then strain your pasta. Put the pasta into the chicken. Heat on high. Add the water from the pasta. Then your sauce. Your sauce goes in. Remove from heat so that this will not become a scrambled egg. Add the rest of the Parmesan cheese. Look at the smell. Add your black pepper. Okay, that's it. So we have here your basic chicken carbonara. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.